Most accurate forecast in the Ozarks.
Well, today was another fairly pleasant day, especially this morning. If you got out early enough, temperatures were in the upper 50s to low 60s. Temperatures climbed this afternoon into the low to mid 80s, but we're holding on to the dry conditions for one more fantastic evening. Now, looking at a broad view of what's going on across the middle of the country, we've got some storminess to our north, and we've got a little bit of unsettled weather still to our south across parts of Oklahoma and Texas. And I think it's going to be that two-pronged attack that we're going to find on Wednesday. That upper level energy over Oklahoma will be drifting east overnight tonight and throughout tomorrow. And it looks like it will be close enough to the area as moisture continues to increase that it will probably lead to a few spotty showers and thunderstorms, especially east of Highway 65, closer to southeast Missouri and northeast Arkansas. Also to the north, with a front moving in from the north, there should be some scattered shower and thunderstorm activity by late afternoon or early evening at the latest. And with high levels of instability, there are going to be some stronger storms that could produce some strong winds and some hail. Here's our hour-by-hour forecast. And again, for tonight, not expecting any wet weather whatsoever. We'll hold on to mostly clear skies. Tomorrow morning, not as cool as we've seen, but still not bad. Mid-60s to start off the day. And as we work through the morning hours, we will find dry conditions. It'll be during the afternoon that a few showers and thunderstorms could bubble up. Again, mainly across south central Missouri and north central Arkansas. And then you can see the beginnings of a line of thunderstorms closer to central Missouri near that cold front. Now, I stop it right there because where we go from there is a little bit questionable. It looks like we could have maybe a couple of different scenarios. One is that we see a line of thunderstorms develop along that front tomorrow evening that then will build south and southwest across the area during the evening hours. That could bring some gusty winds and maybe some hail potential. The other possibility is that that area of thunderstorms near the front kind of fades away as we work through the evening, or at least just doesn't really organize very much. And then as a disturbance comes in from the northwest and interacts with that same front, we could see a big cluster of storms fire up to our northwest, southeast Nebraska, northeast Kansas, that then drops southeast into the area by Thursday morning. Either way, and it could be a kind of a combination of the two, either way, it looks like most of us will see some wet weather Wednesday night into Thursday. And I think the potential for wet weather Thursday morning will have bearing on what kind of day we're looking at on Thursday. It may not get quite as hot as it could have gotten if we do start off the day with some rain and quite a bit of cloud cover. Looking at tonight's weather, mostly clear. Temperatures, again, not as chilly as they've been, dropping into the mid-60s. And then for tomorrow, we'll see highs ranging from the upper 80s north to about 86 or 87 here across south central Missouri and north central areas of Arkansas. The pattern will continue to generate a chance for showers and thunderstorms, I think, through Friday, because the same general pattern will be in place. But as we get into the weekend, it looks like a ridge of high pressure will once again develop over the middle of the country, and that means hot and mostly dry weather for Saturday and Sunday. Then we turn our attention to the south. We have a tropical storm in the Bay of Campeche. The name of that storm is Cristobal, winds at 40 miles per hour. Looks like it's going to sort of hang out in that area for the next few days and then eventually make a run for the Louisiana coastline over this upcoming weekend. From there, it looks like the remnants of that storm would then be funneled north, possibly over our area toward Tuesday of next week. So we'll have to keep an eye on exactly where those remnants go and how they move through the area, because that will have bearing on how much rain we could see out of that system, because they could produce some heavy rainfall, and whether or not we see some isolated severe weather. Before we get to that, though, again, summer looks like it's here in full force this weekend.
It feels like it out there. Okay, what is our Viewers Club number?
Number tonight is 162-951, jackpot $200.
All right, Jamie, thank you.
Stay here.